Hey, what's up you guys? Welcome to my channel. Today I'm going to be doing a what's in my bag. For this bag right here, this is the Louis Vuitton Pochette Metis in the reverse monogram. So if you would like to see, then please keep watching. But first, I would like to talk to you about Merit Beauty. So Merit Beauty is a minimalist makeup company, and they are in store and online at Sephora in the US and in Canada, and they were so sweet to reach out to me and send me some of their products, so thank you so much. So I'm going to share them with you. So first, it's this brush right here. Mine is dirty because I did use it. So I have been using this as a foundation brush and also as a powder brush, and I love the size of this brush because you can put it in your makeup bag and take it with you. The bristles are very tightly packed, so you can get a full coverage look with this brush, and I just love it. So I actually got two. So here is the packaging when you get it brand new. And I got two because I am a makeup brush girl. I love makeup brushes. If that's one thing about makeup, it's the makeup brushes. That's it for me. And yeah, this is brush number 1, blending brush. Here it is when you first get it out of the packaging. I love the black handle. It's very sleek. Next, I got the mascara. So here is the tube. This is Perfect Black Lengthening Mascara. I've been liking this for my top and lower lashes because the brush is very thin. So you can use it on your lower lashes and it doesn't give you that spidery effect. Their Day Glow Highlighting Balm, and I got this in Cava, I want to say is how you pronounce it. But yeah, so this is a cream highlighter. So here it is in the little tube. It's just this kind of off-white, but it is so beautiful. I think this would look really good if you topped it with a powder highlight. I want to say that Becca Opal would be good with this. And also if you did like no makeup and you just wanted to glow, you could totally use this and get that effect. So I love this. Last two products I got were their Shade Slick, and this is the tinted lip oil. So the first color I got is Bel Air, and I am obsessed with this color. I'm actually wearing it on my lips right now as a topper. But this is a tinted lip oil, and look at this. It's so beautiful. It's almost like a clear. It's like a clear lip gloss, but it does have kind of gold reflex, and I'm just obsessed with clear lip gloss. No makeup days, I'm only wearing clear gloss. So I really love this, and I've used it a lot if you can see that dent. But yeah, I love this, and I got another color, which is All Natural. Now this color is a little too dark for me currently, but I think if I was to like go on vacation and get tanner, then I would totally wear this. So this is the color right here, and I will swatch it. There it is right there. If you can see that, it's such a beautiful consistency. I know it says a tinted lip oil, but it is literally just like a very pigmented lip gloss, so I am very excited to use them. So all the products that they sent to me I absolutely love, so thank you so much to Merit Beauty again for reaching out to me and sending me these products. They were so sweet to give me my own link for all of my friends here on YouTube, so if you would like to click the link that is in my description box and check out Merit Beauty, I would really appreciate it. I do get a commission from it, so thank you so much for that. So if you would like to see what's in my bag, then please keep watching. Okay, so here's the bag right here. I did take the strap off just so it would be easier to show you, but here's the strap. I do have it on the shortest setting just so the bag can come up a little bit higher on me. The bag only has one exterior pocket, and in here, if I can get it out, is my portable charger. I like to have this when I go out just in case my phone dies. And this bag holds so much, it really expands, so you can fit so much in this bag. I didn't think I was gonna like this bag just because it's kind of the same layout as the YSL Lulu, which I did have, and I actually sold that bag just because I could not take like the accordion style. But I love this bag. It is so worth it. If you can get your hands on it, please do, because you will not regret it. and it is perfect for every day. So to open the bag, you just press this in and it opens, and you get 2 compartments. The back one is bigger and it's lined in this microfiber black lining. So on the top I have my phone. This is the iPhone, I want to say this is the 12, and I have this case from Amazon. I have these wet ones just in case I want to wipe something down or wipe my hands. My toiletry 15 in here as well. So here it is. This is like my catch-all for my smaller bags or like a makeup bag. So in here I have, oh, so right here, this is from Royalty Scents. I had a subscription for a while and I don't want this to fall. And in here I have Lost Cherry from Tom Ford. That has been a perfume that I have reached for a lot. So here is the bottle of the perfume, but just in case I want to touch up, I bring this with me because this doesn't really last that long. Then I have my eyelash applicator just in case I need to reapply my eyelashes. I have this lip oil from Merit Beauty that I showed you in the beginning of this video. This is called Bel Air. I have some gum. I have some House of Lashes eyelash glue. I have a lip liner from Heidi D Cosmetics. It's called Sweet Spice. She is a brand here in Michigan. Then I have this Gucci lipstick, which I highly recommend the Gucci lipsticks if you want to just splurge a little bit. Mine looks a little gross because I use it so much. This is Linda Beige. I love this color. Last, I just have some hand sanitizer. So then in the back compartment, I have my Chanel mirror. This is the double facets mirror. It comes in this little felt case, and this is the mirror right here. It is so beautiful. I love this mirror. I have this hand cream from EOS just in case my hands are feeling a little dry. It is super cold here where I live in Michigan, and my hands have been super dry, so I really have been liking this. This is a lavender scent. The last item I have in this bag is my zippy wallet. So I'm really happy that a full-size wallet fits in this bag. It's very convenient when you need all of your things in your bigger wallet. And in here I just have money, you know, credit cards, loyalty cards, things like that. I did a review on this wallet a while ago. I may do another one just to give you another update on it. But yeah, that is everything that is in my bag. And that is it for this video. So thank you so much for watching. I hope you all enjoyed. If you did, please like this video, leave me a comment down below, share with your friends, and please subscribe so you won't miss out on any more videos from me. And I will see you in the next one. Bye.